Yeah.
Yeah, no, that's what I was doing last night. I couldn't sleep.
Okay, that's that. Okay, now it's going live. Start.
What about you? What have you been up to?
Nothing really. Start.
Other than, I'm sorry I haven't been around too much the last
Ah,
few
you're
days.
good. It's been working. That's it.
I feel bad. Okay, my friend.
It's been working. That's about
I
it.
feel like I've been kind of a bad friend lately.
Nah, you're good. Shit.
Yeah, no. My RAM comes in sometime next week or
Oh,
two.
nice.
Um, I also got. It was funny. So I was looking just for like a basic display adapter GPU, so I can hook up my third monitor to this
Yeah.
machine. And it was funny. I was on Facebook Marketplace just shopping. It was 20, $40 in that range for GPUs. But
Yeah.
then I look here, and it's $40 for one GPU for most of them. They're very
Right.
similar. Or then it's two, or then it's two GPUs for $40,
Yeah.
and they're just like NVIDIA GTX 550s. I was like,
Right.
they're not great GPUs, but
Oh
for what
no.
I'm using them for,
Yeah, they'll
totally
work
fine. They're
perfect.
small form factor. They're totally fine for what I'm doing.
Yeah.
Not like I'm video editing on this. Absolutely not. It wouldn't
Yeah.
even fit, honestly, the cards I would need for this. Whatever. Yeah, no. It was $40 for two GPUs. Probably cool. Um, and then there was the RAM, which I got for $40, 16 gigabytes. It is HP RAM, but it's also built for this machine.
Right.
Ironically,
So I mean,
I was lucky.
so that means she's going to have a little boost, huh?
Yeah, it's gonna go up to 16 gigs,
Nice.
a lot more.
That's
I
nice.
also got a new CPU. That one's on its way too.
You got a what?
That's been got a new CPU.
Oh
It's
yeah, yeah.
coming in via FedEx.
Oh yeah. Oh
Yeah,
yeah. You texted me the CPU getting yeah the Intel
yeah.
one the
I'm
Intel one.
coming. Yeah, yeah. I'm going from 2 cores, 4 threads to 4 cores, 8 threads.
Oh
That's
nice. Oh, a little upgrade right there.
yeah, yeah. The high.
Nice.
That's actually the highest core count this platform offers.
Yeah, I
For
got
what
you.
I'm doing, it's fine. I have the server over here for like building.
Yeah, that's cool.
Um,
Nice.
I had the option between three different CPUs for the highest tier, and that was the 6700, the 6700T. But this platform in particular, because it's a business machine, does not support the 6700K,
Oh, that
which I'm sure we'll
sucks.
talk about.
Yeah.
But that's not a big deal. That's a 180-watt chip too.
Right.
Um, the 6700 is also a 180-watt chip. The 6700T has the same core count. It's a 35-watt chip, but it only goes to 2.8 gigahertz. Which I ended up just getting there because like I was like, okay, well you got to think about power bills here.
Right. Yeah.
Which yeah, but yeah, that's what I thought. And like really, what I needed was port count, not very much the clock speed. In worst case scenario, it's already technically an unlocked processor. If I had to, I could overclock it, but I
Yeah.
really shouldn't overclock in this little thing, anyways.
Nice. Yeah, cause I read your
Yeah,
message the other day that you get new Intel and you showed me the picture of the RAM.
yeah, yeah. I'm really excited about
uh,
that. I also bought a bunch of clothes and stuff.
cool, cool,
I'm
cool.
excited for the clothes.
Nice, cool.
I'm just weird like that. I also got shoes. But anyways,
I'm just
that
work.
stuff's
Yeah,
not a big.
yeah, just working, and that's about it.
I got you.
Just gonna go fish. You know, fishing Monday. Me and the wifey, she wants to fish, so got her license, daytime license, and she likes it. Then she's gonna get a year license, so we just fish.
Low key, slightly jealous.
So she wants to take one of my good fishing poles. Then yeah, because I usually carry
Yeah.
a couple with me. But so now I gotta get the push button rod going. Gotta get that one going. 'Cause I gotta take that for my second rod.
Frequently.
Yeah, well, cause
Yeah.
she's taking my other good one. So that's all good though.
Yeah. I mean, we always had a push button rod when I was younger because you obviously don't get kids. Push
No,
button. Just don't.
no, but
You know,
basically
that's just
basically what I get out of the push button rods. Is it kind of like the bait caster rods, like what the professional uses? The bait caster rods, kind of similar to it, but this one's a push button, but it's closed. The cast bait one is where you still have to hold the button, you still have to throw it, and you see the string. You see the string, it's visible, but it's kind of the same thing, somewhat.
Yeah, Dad.
Come here for a second. I want you to see something real quick.
What is it?
Oh, you're going to think they're retarded when you see it.
Just tell me what.
These kids taking on cars with their bikes doing wheelies. I'm serious. They go into
Look at Jacob.
no, they go into traffic, right?
You know,
And they make the car stop while doing a wheel and then come back out of traffic and think it's funny.
sounds like a dumbass.
That's
Yeah.
why I put there. He's a special on the head. I posted it to Acretion.
Tell Darren to go on the YouTube channel because we got
No
people
wonder
coming
this
in.
Generation's in big trouble. Is that the mate screen you made?
The latte version, yeah.
Like that's the actual OS or?
This is the config so far. It is so much lighter. You can see I basically recreated the GNOME experience. I'm gonna show you something. I completely redesigned the setting. Like from scratch. Let me show you. Completely overhauled the Mate. It looks nothing like this. It looks more like the cinnamon one. Oh, it looks even shittier, to be honest.
Looks
Um,
even shittier.
the Mate ones do, yeah. Let me show you.
Hey, used to be great, but they're too minimal.
Yeah. But yeah, no, this is the Mate desktop.
Your cat lock,
What?
your cat lock is on.
But yeah, no, because I mean, if we go to desktop environment image,
I know what Mate is.
yeah, so you know what the settings normally look
The shit.
like. Yeah, so like, yeah, no, I completely overhauled them. I have it now where the setting, like the color scheme, will line up for all applications. That's what I've been working on. I also built obviously a wallpaper for it.
Probably should copy our other wallpapers
Let me
over
see.
too. They're all the same.
I'm going to, but I'm specifically happy about this because in Monte it just has a little drop down thingy and it has no search functionality. It's just literally like 3 different buttons, one with a drop down with a bunch of lists.
Hey,
no.
hey, Nelly, tell Darren somebody's talking about him in the chat right now.
You can install that.
Somebody's talking about you in the chat apparently.
Yeah, it's not that bad though.
There you go, Jacob. Okay, let's go back to work.
Yeah, you should join the stream area.
Yeah, because they asked if it's Linux Grandpa. But,
Yeah, that's true. That's Linux Grandpa. If you're hearing him.
Oh.
I'm Natalie. Let's see. So do that. Where is the live chat? Open the panel. Did I already break my browser? It's installed, but installed like maybe.
Did you break it?
I think I broke my browser. Yeah, Loki.
Wow.
I was just being a dumbass. It's grabbing the wrong bar. Oops.
Yeah.
Yeah. I do think my extensions hearing with it. I'm refreshing the page right now.
Okay.
Yeah, no. I mean, I would love to just stream together from now on. And like,
Right. Yeah.
If you're up for it, because yeah, I know we were wanting to do our other thing we talked about. We've both been kind of lacking in that approach.
Yeah.
Maybe this was a more reasonable approach.
Yeah. True that. True that.
Yeah, like you can just yell at me to get on, and I'll be like, okay, fine.
Yeah. Unless you want to keep the other channel or just use this channel too? Because that's basically what it's based. Basically, it's whatever you want. It's whatever though. I was trying to make it easier.
I don't really care whatever way you want to do it. It's up to you. I can,
Give me some more coffee. I'll be right back.
as long as it gets on the internet. And
Yeah.
people see
Well,
what
cause I say yeah. Cause yeah. Okay. Okay. I'm guessing. I'll be right back.
you're good. For those watching though, if you're curious, I'm working on AcreetionOS Mate and its configurations and stuff. I was showing that a few minutes ago. I was showing Jacob that. I've completely overhauled a bunch of stuff, and yes, we do use AI during development to some extent. I'm gonna go ahead and open up the chat because obviously it wasn't working on the ground. That's still a work in progress for myself. So, let's go to YouTube. No, we're not gonna watch Young Sheldon on screen. YouTube, thank you very much. Oh, we'll go here. I'm gonna go and just turn this down, and I'll occasionally want. I'm assuming it's on Jacob's stream then. If somebody was talking about it.
All right. Got some more coffee.
You said somebody was talking about.
Well, like talking. They're talking about the the Accretion OS. About they forgot about Accretion OS or whatever until now. They seen it. They seen there's another flavor, and they said it that Linux Grandpa.
Oh no, it's me. I'm working on the other flavors. Dad doesn't.
Well, they're still typing.
I'm the one working on those. It's just taking time.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I see. The person's still typing right now.
And why is it that like? That's so weird.
Huh?
No, I'm on my phone. I can see the live chat on yours, but I can't see the live chat on the Accretion one.
Yeah, no, it's live. No, it's live.
Ah, I see it. I see it.
Okay.
I completely forgot about AcreetionOS until now. I saw that there's a new Mate version in development. Yeah, that's me. Hey. I used to remember Mate differently back in 2018. Guess I've changed entirely by now. Oh yeah, no, this is not Mate at all by default. I've done a ton of changes to it. I've been modernizing it because, well, to be honest, I couldn't ship a by default Mate version. Dad and I both make Accretion. I helped him build the cinnamon one in the beginning. And I still talk with him about different things if he needs help. And I used to remember there used to be a desktop switcher at the bottom. There, yeah, it's still there by default. I took it out just to make it more modern. I'll use that term. But I switched that out with this app drawer. Can they see my screen or no? Let me see. Okay. Oh yeah. I know they I swapped it out with an app drawer. And then if you hit Alt and Tab, this is the app switcher now. That's what I just switched to. But yes, it is there in stock Mate. That's correct. Then yeah, I've been kind of almost gnomifying Mate to some extent. I know plenty of people would just say, "Oh, just use GNOME," but GNOME resource usage is kind of ridiculous, to be honest. I would never ship Mate the way it is right now. Just to be honest, it's not really very good right now. Where is? Wait, did I accidentally kill Discord?
No, you're still on it.
Okay, I was just saying because
no, you're
these
still on
icons aren't accurate yet.
Yeah. No, you're still on Discord.
Okay. Yeah, because the icons obviously aren't accurate yet.
Yeah.
And I'm not seeing it in my list. So that's interesting. There's still some bugs.
Right?
But
yeah.
No. I know. I've been working on the other editions, the unofficial flavors, because Jacob a while back was wanting a hyper land. I told him I would, and I never really fulfilled that promise like I was to. And
yeah,
no. I'm sorry.
Dang.
I think what I'm gonna do though for that is honestly just probably download a single version of the Cajole Cooled script,
Yeah.
embed it, and have that auto run. Because I don't think putting up a whole config is worth it. I don't know.
Right.
I'll figure that out later. That's not important right now. Well, yeah, no, if we go here, what I'm thinking about next is I'm gonna embed the AcreetionOS logo right here. I think that'll look good. But I think I'll end up having to modify the brisk menu. That's what this is brisk. I don't know. I should probably first finish the settings. They're not completely done. I mean, like, I've managed to get this the most work on the dark theme, but as you can see, there's some artifacts. That's what I'm working on earlier before I even got some coffee. I gotta grab my medication. Give me just a minute. Um, I'll just step away. My mic's gonna be going. If you need to mute me, mute me.
Hopefully everybody's having a great day today. Hopefully everybody's enjoying the stream that me and Natalie are doing. Let's see.
I'm gonna take my drug real quick. There we go. And no, we'll get back to work. That was the mod cake or but for the actual ISO. First, we got to get configs done. So you're working on the settings, and yeah, let me go look at the settings. Yeah, no, I want to fix this artifact thing on this button. So let me bring you over here. We're gonna do. Let me see. That's not it. Um, I'm sorry, I don't feel very good. Whatever. Yeah, no. I mean, so what are you working on, Jacob?
Well, I'm drinking coffee right now.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. I get that.
Gotta wake up.
Um, I'm trying to do the same too. I
Is Darren getting on or what?
I have no idea. He's just being himself. He knew what I mean by that.
Gotcha. Yeah, I gotcha. 100%.
Um, I think I'm gonna go ahead and set a cap on
Okay.
how many instances of the Mate control panel can be opened at a time.
Yeah.
I was learning. I figured out earlier that if you have too many of them, they start getting confused with each other. I thought that
Gotcha.
was funny. I know, like, because okay, one of the applications, right?
Yeah.
You could great example. The way I figured this out, I would toggle it on to the light mode, and I'd toggle it to the dark mode. I just go whoa,
Well, yeah.
because it didn't know what to do.
Yeah, because you kind of
Yeah,
interfere with both of them, or how many you have open, or whatever, huh? It just like interfere with them.
yeah. And I
Gotcha.
think by capping it, I can avoid having to go in
Yes.
and make it have all the extra logic for that.
Yeah.
To be honest. Um, yeah, no. I'm gonna fix. We're gonna fix that in the appearance tab. It's right here first. If you go here, this is actually very straightforward. It just opens up a wallpaper. Because okay, this is their default application. They just have a different theme around it. Um, I think what I'm gonna do for that is I'm gonna embed this menu under a button inside the application.
Yeah.
Part of modernizing it is by not having it in a million separate apps because people aren't probably going to remember.
Right. Just having it one. Just having it in one.
Yeah, I'm just gonna have them all embed inside one. But the thing is, I also don't want massive amounts of resource usage by having separate modules. That's essentially what they did whenever they designed this. It's just like how Cinnamon's designed.
Yeah. Same thing.
A bunch of modules that they load in. Yeah. And with them all being separate applications, have them all separate, and you would have to have different teams managing everything. Whereas by putting it in one app and just having it under, let's say, like on the desktop environments do it, they have your overall program, and then they have under a folder a bunch of different, let's say, Python scripts. In this case, that's what these are. Yeah, I was actually really shocked whenever I learned that a lot of the desktop environments are primarily, at least the light ones, are written in Python.
Yeah.
Lemon is Mate right now. Last time I looked. Let's see. LXQT is not. That is C base. LXDE is, which that's pretty much retired at this point. If you remember Raven, Raven was. Let me think. Epiphany, not Epiphany, but elementary LS is Pantheon. It's somewhat. It's a combination of languages. I believe that's mainly Lua. Yeah, no, it's just interesting.
Yeah. So what's your plans for the day?
I'm probably just gonna be working on this stuff today. It's been a rough few days, and I need to
Yeah. Let me shut the door up.
I just gotta keep myself together right now. I have to get some GI 25 of those.
All right.
Yeah, no, I mean, yeah, I'm just gonna work on that stuff today because I'm kind of going one distro version to the next.
Yeah.
To be honest, whenever I was working with him on the settlement stuff, it worked fine. But the thing is, like, it didn't seem like he really wanted another version based on the way he was talking.
Yeah.
But like that's totally okay. That's his right. That's his opinion.
Yeah.
He then, for a minute after I said I was working on a Mate version a week or two ago, it was like, "Oh, I'm working on one." I'm like, "No," I said, "I'm working on. Don't take my idea.
Don't steal it.
Don't steal my idea. I'm already putting in the work." And then I could And then I completely overhauled the website and whatnot. And was
Yeah,
like, nah,
yeah.
we're gonna do this the right way.
Yeah.
Once I get all these configs and whatnot working, I'm gonna set up the automated build pipeline for it. And then this, I'm not gonna have to touch it very much after that.
Right. Left alone, said be done.
I will admit that page, the flash page,
Mhm.
the download page on the website, the reason it broke was my fault. I had been doing AI based photo reviewing,
Yeah.
and I might have overdone that a little bit. I was trying to make it where I wouldn't have to really go touch it ever again because I got really sick, tired of messing with the website.
Right.
But then I learned within like 2 or 3 days that AI just isn't perfect enough to do that without
Yeah.
human getting it. And that's why I got all screwed up. I should probably go fix that. It's probably
Later
a
on.
higher priority than this, right?
Yeah.
I mean, like you can download Accretion. That's not so much the problem. The problem is like, it doesn't look professional right now.
Right.
I mean, you gotta do that, guys, because I'm gonna keep thinking of it often. Um, I miss streaming.
Right.
I kind of I haven't been streaming too much because of a few reasons.
Yeah.
You know, I still can't get into the AcreetionOS account itself
Oh.
because of authentication stuff. Yeah, but I can get in via my Google. Be able to stream on it. That's what I figured out.
Are you talking about the main account that yeah, are you talking about the main account?
Yeah, like the main account.
Yeah.
Because like it keeps flagging me, thinking because like it's like no, we gotta wait 24 hours, and you'll go back to this email 24 hours from now, and then you couldn't get in, and then the date's never turned it. I'm like what?
Yeah.
Seriously? This is the
Gotcha.
account I made. Like, I understand you're doing this in the name of of security. I get it, but like, come on, my phone number has changed. We put that in.
Yeah, I don't think I'm doing nothing today. I don't think I have anything planned. I'm not sure. I don't know what's going on.
You know.
Yeah, I just go by ear.
Oh, I do have the ID on here. I do that. Open up the. You don't know what the is. The VS Code. Hmm. Oh shit. Where am I going? Okay, I gotta get up. My best friend's going.
All right.
I will be back later. Okay.
I'll talk to you later. Bye.